this feeling I can't leave. I'm working and I'm dreaming. Will you dare to give it all up and walk by my side? Do you see the road? Do you hear its call? Do you want a part of it? Just getting me above now. Just getting me above now.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Margrette, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button below and tapping on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. I purchased the Vetcore set, and I saw this in the Facebook news feed because I was really worried about my dog's ticks and fleas and mites. So I already used different shampoos, however it was still a failure, so I had to look for another way to get rid of crayons, ticks, mga kuto niya, na dagko. So this is the Vetcore for Every Dog Herbal Dog Soap, and it has the power of 4 essential natural ingredients. It naturally repels heartworm-carrying mosquitoes, kills ticks, fleas, and mites, and also prevents and treats mange, bacterial and fungal skin infections while keeping your dog's coat soft and moisturized. I actually used this while bathing crayon.
Nindot siya kay buwa. Hindi siya kas kay sabon mo siya.
And it is made of Madrid cacao leaves, guava leaves, coconut oil, citronella, and lye. Okay, so it was really bubbly. The foam is really thick when you lather it on the fur. And I noticed though that after bathing crayon, the fur was somehow like it was repelling water. When I tried pouring water, the water droplets trickle down the fur. So I'm not really sure why it happened, but that was what I noticed. But the scent is really good because once again there is citronella. So I love the fragrance of this herbal soap for the dogs. And afterwards, after bathing crayon with this herbal soap, I used this Nature's Advanced Vetcore Plus Tick and Flea Dog and Home Spray. Right, so it's plant-based and it prevents ticks, fleas, flea larvae, and flea eggs. Repels mosquitoes for home and dogs. So see, it's not only for the ticks, but it can also repel mosquitoes. Diba? Asa kitag spray na kanang ang imong target is to kill the ticks and fleas of your dogs, but it can also repel mosquitoes. So, good job, Vetcore. It's made with natural essential oils. You shake well before every use. You spray this mist every 15 days or as needed. And you make sure that the dog's fur is wet or damp para mo stick yun ang formula sa dog's fur. Right? So I'm showing you in the background videos perhaps how I used the herbal dog soap and how I sprayed it on crayon. So I really noticed fleas and ticks dying while I lather the dog soap onto crayon, and I think it's really effective in eliminating dog ticks and fleas. So I'll check again after 15 days or 30 days, and I'll have another vlog about what my experience is after a month. But so far so good. I love how this set works. So if you want to purchase from them, I'll just put the link here in the description box. And once again, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you have any questions about me and the products I vlog about, please do leave them in the comments below. And if you want to show your support to my channel, kindly click on subscribe. From red, it will turn gray once you've successfully subscribed, and tap on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching this video, lovies. I hope you learned something new today. See you on my next one. Bye!
With this feeling, I can leave. I'm working and I'm dreaming. Will you dare to give it all up and walk by my side? Do you see the road? Do you hear its call? Do you want a part of it? Just getting me above now. Just getting me above now. See the sun goes down, driving lights in hearts, counting trees around. This is how I